Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App payment failed on iPhone. So when you have this issue, the first thing you will need to do is to actually check the reason why your payment has been failed or has been cancelled. So normally when Cash App cancels a payment that you have done, that means that they think that there is something wrong with the payment itself. So basically they do this to protect you and your account. So what happens is that they actually return that money back to your account, and the money should be in your account within 1 to 3 business days. So that totally depends on the bank that you are using. What you can do is actually try to reduce the risk of the payment being cancelled or failed. Cash App already has provided many steps that you can actually follow to reduce this. So one of these steps is actually to link debit or credit cards that are in your name. There are many different steps that you can follow, and you can actually see them all on Cash App Help Center. So you can simply visit their help center, look for that article, and go from there. But if you do think that you are actually following these steps, and even though your payment gets cancelled or failed, again and again, the only thing that you can still do is to actually contact Cash App support and go from there, as they will explain to you what's going on.